On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don inaugurate panel wey go do check on top how dem take dey dabaru money for College of Education, Agric College and other colleges for Edo State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate 5-man commission wey go chook eye put on top how dem don take dabaru money for College of Education and College of Agriculture wey dey for Edo State for more than 10 years now. For the inauguration wey shele for Government House of Benin City and na the former head of service for Edo State, Gladys Idaho na be the head of this commission wey Godwin Obaseki inaugurate. Godwin Obaseki tok say make members of this commission make sure say dem reach the bottom part of the issue wey shele for the institutions wey be say the institutions dem don take fall under the people wey suppose dey in charge of them. The institution wey the commission go do check on top na College of Education for Ekiadolo, College of Education for Igweben, Michael Imodu College of Physical Education for Afuze and College of Agriculture for Igworiahi. Obaseki tok say him set up this commission of inquiry because Edo State government don see plenty money wey dey ground wey dem never pay the staff of this school dem. Governor tok say make the commission expose anybody wey im hand dey on top of all this dabaru so that e go face the law. E tok say dem go start to dey chook eye put inside their report 3 months after dem submit am. Obaseki tok say the commission go check whether the institution finance, that na the receipt and the disbursement wey dem don get for the last 10 years follow for law wey dey guide public service and the law of the institution itself. Vacancy governor tok say him administration go reposition all these schools dem so that dem go come be ogbonge ones for Edo State. Vacancy governor tok say him administration go reposition these schools dem so that dem go come become ogbonge schools for Edo State. Chairman of the commission wey still be the former head of service for Edo State, Gladys Idaho, come thank Governor Godwin Obaseki wey he take give dem this work. She come talk say dem no go disappoint Governor Godwin Obaseki for this work at all. And so we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don inaugurate 5-man commission wey go inside all the dabaru wey don shele for with College of Education and College of Agriculture for Edo State. Make una no forget say this ogbonge update wey una dey get so na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T Live Media.